wife and I chose Sam & Bailey because they had a lot of experience. We did a lot of reviews and research on their expertise. Meeting them in person, they were very friendly and knowledgeable about the area, in addition to knowing about our needs, specifically our family and our children. They met every criteria, and they were able to deliver very quickly for us. What was important in selling my home was in a timely manner. I was more focused on moving forward to the next phase of our lives, and Sam understood that very quickly, provided a pricing strategy as well as a marketing strategy that met that, and we were very successful in doing so. So Sam & Bailey did do an open house for us, and we had a great response, an overwhelming response. Even our neighbors informed us of the response that we received. We had offers prior to, and we had additional offers that came in that not only met our timeline, but exceeded our price expectation as well. The communication with Sam & Bailey was outstanding. Every day we were in communication, either movements on marketing strategy and success going forward, to see how our initial view of the marketing, of the video of the house on the market, to just basically daily communications through your text, email, basically daily. We knew exactly what was happening. We knew, he laid out the groundwork for us, so we knew, hey, when the offer was coming, when the deadline was, and in the end, when everything was going to be sealed up and ready to go. So Sam & Bailey definitely assisted with us in negotiations, because the offer we originally had wasn't the highest. And so there was a balance of a couple things, and Sam & Bailey was able to bring a strategy of negotiating that helped exceed the price expectation we ever thought we were going to get, but also meet the timeline of us expediting this sale. So in the end, that we knew by the time we walked out in negotiation, we had a guaranteed 100% buyer. We had a timeline that exceeded our expectations, and then we also met the price that we never thought we'd ever get. Yeah, if you're thinking about selling your house, I can't strongly enough recommend Sam & Bailey. In any realtor, especially somebody who, for my family, that we had not spent a lot of time in this market to understand the trends of the neighborhood, the market, price point. Provide a PowerPoint presentation and not just speak from common knowledge or saying things that's not shown pen to paper, but the time to put that in writing to show historical knowledge of the market and trends. In this day and age, we speak through numbers that I couldn't recommend them anymore.